folks, today we're going to learn the C chord. Before we start that, let's go over how to hold the guitar and some of the parts of the guitar and the numbering. I want you to hold the guitar so that it's sitting comfortably on your lap. The neck, that's this part, should be facing towards your left hand. Remember, the way that you tell your left from your right is you hold up your fingers with your thumbs pointing to each other, pointer fingers in the air. The L that is facing the correct way is your left hand. So your left hand is going to hold the neck. Your right hand is going to fall over the guitar so that your thumb can go right over the sound hole. Right? When we strum, we're going to take the side of our thumb and run it gently down all of the strings, just like that. Just with a downward motion, gentle and soft, using the side of our thumb to go down the strings. Okay? Next off, we've got to number the strings, number the fingers, and number those frets. The frets are these boxes here. Technically, they're these gold things here, but we're going to talk about the boxes. This whole box with all 6 strings is fret 1. This whole box with all 6 strings in it is fret 2. This whole box with all 6 strings in it is fret 3. And those are the only frets that we're going to use today. Fret 1, fret 2, fret 3. For the strings, we number them from the bottom up, which I know is weird, but that's how we do it. So the one closest to the floor is 1. The next one is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then our fingers need numbers. Our thumb doesn't get a number, but our pointer finger is number 1. Our middle finger is number 2. Our ring finger is number 3. And our pinky is number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, let's go over this again. Hold up your first finger, your second finger, your third finger, and your fourth finger. Good. Now put your finger on fret 1. That's this box here. Fret 2 and fret 3. Now let's pluck the strings. The one closest to the floor, pluck it. That's number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Number 6. Now it's important to know all 3 numbers because if I want to play a pitch or play a chord, I need to know where to put my finger, which finger to use, and what string to put it on. For the C chord, I'm going to use these 3 fingers, I'm going to use these 3 frets, and I'm going to use strings 2, 4, and 5. Alright, let's see how it works. Take your first finger, find fret 1, and put your finger gently on string 2. Keep it there. Don't push in yet or your finger will get sore. Now take your second finger, find string 4 in fret 2. I'm going to count up from the bottom. Here's fret 2, string 1, string 2, string 3, string 4. I'm going to put it there gently, not pushing it. Then I'll find fret 3, my finger 3, and then count up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now I've got my first finger on string 1, fret 1. I've got my second finger in the 2nd fret on string 4. And I've got my third finger in the 3rd fret on string 5. Now here's the time I push it in. It might hurt a little bit, but don't push it in so much that it hurts a lot. Okay, notice I have my fingers curved. That's the strongest way for me to push. I'm going to strum down with the side of my thumb. And that's the C chord. Now I'm going to look at my sore fingers. You might have a line in your fingers. That's okay. They won't get cut. They won't be that way all the time. And your fingers will get tougher as you go along. If they're kind of sore, blow on them. But don't put them in your mouth. That'll soften them up and it'll hurt even more the next time you do the chord, which is right now. Let's try it again. Finger 1, finger 2, finger 3. Fret 1, fret 2, fret 3. Finger 1 finds fret 1 and goes on string 2. Finger 2 finds fret 2 and goes on string 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Finger 3 finds fret 3 and goes on string 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. C chord. Let's play a song. Let's do something really simple so that you can think about your fingers instead of your song. Where is Thumbkin? Where is Thumbkin? Here I am, here I am. How are you today, sir? Very well, I thank you. Run away, run away. Did you guys at Richardson remember Thumbkin from Miss Bruntrop? There's Thumbkin. Let's sing it again. Where is Thumbkin? Where is Thumbkin? Here I am, here I am. How are you today, sir? Very well, I thank you. Run away, run away. Check your fingers. Got a line in each one? That means you're pushing hard enough. Blow on them if they're sore. And let's do another song. Let's try Row, Row, Row Your Boat. Finger 1, fret 1, string 2. Finger 2, fret 2, string 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Finger 3, fret 3, string 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we go, strumming down with the side of your thumb. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Let's do it again. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. And one more song. Shake your hand, it's probably getting sore. Blow on your fingers. Let's do the Hokey Pokey. If you have someone at your house that likes to move, you could ask them to follow your directions. All right, here we go. Putting your thumb on the back of the neck. Finger 1, fret 1, string 2. Finger 2, fret 2, string 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Finger 3, fret 3, string 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, you ready to move? You put your right foot in, you put your right foot out, you put your right foot in, and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around, and that's what it's all about. You put your left foot in, you put your left foot out, you put your left foot in, and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. You put your right arm in, you put your right arm out, you put your right arm in and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. You put your left arm in, you put your left arm out, you put your left arm in and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. You put your head in, you put your head out, you put your head in and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. You put your whole self in, you put your whole self out, you put your whole self in and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. All right, folks, see you next time when we'll be doing the F chord. Bye for now.